Hi guys, in this video I provide you Pirelli Angel G2 versus Michelin Road 6. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about Pirelli Angel G2. Pros. Excellent grip in both wet and dry conditions. Good handling and maneuverability. Comfortable ride. Longer trail life than previous generations. Cons. May not be as stable at high speed. Can be a bit noisy. Let's talk about Michelin Road 6. The pros: exceptional wet weather performance, good grip in dry conditions, stable at high speed, long tread life. Cons: can be a bit stiffer than some other tires, may not be as sporty as the Angel G2. Now see which one is right for you. The best tire for you will depend on your riding style and priorities. If you prioritize wet weather performance and stability in high speeds, the Michelin Road 6 is greater choice. If you prioritize grip, handling and comfort, the Pirelli Angel G2 is a good option. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.